Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick update. A couple weeks ago, we showed you this home. It is near completion and just getting its final punch out. All the landscaping's been done and everything's looking really good. So I wanted to show you inside and how beautiful this home is, especially with this lovely afternoon sun. Let's go take a peek inside. So again, just outside here, really pretty color palette, exteriors, and nice stonework at the black and the taupe. So let's go on inside and see what we've got. This is a Newport plan, which is featuring a beautiful white kitchen with gourmet styling. It's going to feature 2 ovens, a beautiful ceramic cooktop and microwave, the nice multi-level cabinetry, and then this great huge kitchen island with a nice color change on it, and paneling, and this pretty quartz countertop. So just a fabulous kitchen with a really pretty window in there and your space for the fridge. This is the flex room right here off the kitchen. Nicely sized for a home office. Nice and private. This is your guest closet for jackets and coats. And it's gonna hold your low volt. It's your foyer we just walked in. But how about this great room? I mean, look at that sun shining in. Great wall space for furniture placement, that big sideboard. Again, here you could put a nice TV. We've got floor outlets built in, but again, just this beautiful view out of the windows and this great patio space. Really nicely sized, large patio. Oh, and guess what? That's your owner's bedroom right there overlooking the patio. So again, there's a nice view of your kitchen. Your dining area is right here in the center of the home, which is really lovely. It allows everybody to stay connected. And how about this? Walk-in pantry. Hello. Awesome, large, beautiful space. And wonderful laundry room. Nice and conveniently located as well. So let's go in to the owner's suite. Again, beautifully proportioned and sized with this great tray ceiling as standard. That beautiful view outside to the patio. And this luxurious bathroom. Beautiful tile. Nice white cabinetry. Really pretty double vanity. Linen closet. This is a 0 threshold shower. No step entry, nice bench seat. Just really lovely. And then this great large walk-in closet. Linen closet. Oh, hey! So over here on the other side of the house, we try to keep our guest rooms separate from our owner suites. We've got a beautiful guest room with a closet here. Nicely sized, large closet. And then this nice, bright bedroom, which is quite lovely. And then the guest bath right here. Looks like we have a light to hang. Hey! I just love all this beautiful LVP. The flooring just really makes this house gorgeous throughout. Again, that gorgeous gourmet kitchen. So if you want information about this house or anything else here at Church Square, please give us a call. That's 757-280-2046. Bree Flige, our new community sales manager here, would be happy to take your call, or you can email us at sales@cornerstonehomes.net. Have a great afternoon, and be sure to reach out to us about this incredible Newport home. Bye.